Hello, welcome to this tutorial for T&G Vision. In this tutorial, I will walk you through running the B&N POS by Issue Report. Please note that it is important that you use Chrome when attempting to run Vision reports. In a prior tutorial, you were shown how to access the Vision reporting by logging into www.total-tng.com. Now that you have gained access to the T&G Vision reporting landing page, you can begin running Vision reports. First, select the Vision folder from the left toolbar. A new pane will appear listing the reports available. In this tutorial, we will cover the B&N POS by Issue Report. This report displays the weekly POS sales for a specific BiPad in issue. The POS weeks range from 1 to 9, including anything sold prior to pre-weekend and cumulatively after 9 weeks. To run, click on the report name. A new prompt page will appear. You will have a title selection box and an issue selection box. In the first search box, you can search on title name or BiPad number. Only one title can be selected for this report. When searching, please use the % symbol at the beginning to capture all relevant data. For this report, I will be searching on BiPad 00411. Once you have typed in your title or BiPad number, click the search icon to the right. You will now see BiPad 00411 displayed. To select your title, please click the radio button next to it. Once you have done this, select your refresh button to populate your issues. You may notice after you've hit refresh, your selection for your title has become deselected. Please reselect. In your issue selection box, you can choose one or multiple issues. For this purpose, I will select issues 2016-01 to 2016-09. You can do this by holding down Control or using Shift to select a range. Once your issues have been selected and your title has been selected, your Finish button will appear. Please click your Finish to run the report. Here is the layout of the report. In the top, you have your filter selections shown to you. So we are filtered on Barnes & Noble, title Catster BiPad 00411, and our issues selected from 2016-01 to 2016-09. In the report below, data is laid out from latest on sale date descending. Number of stores receiving draw, number of stores reporting a POS sale, your total draw for those stores, and your total POS for those stores, and your sell-through at time of report creation. In your cross tab, you have your weeks with pre-on sale being anything sold prior to the pre-weekend on sale day. So for instance, 2016-09 had an on sale date of 8/2/2016. Let's assume this was a Tuesday. Pre-on sale will include sales from the Wednesday prior to the pre-weekend start date of Thursday. Your week 1 sales will therefore be Thursday to Wednesday, August 3rd. So on and so forth, running from a Thursday to Wednesday week. Post 9 week sales are the cumulative amounts sold after 9 weeks. After a report has been produced, you can choose to rerun a report by clicking on the Run icon in the top blue bar within the active report. You will be taken back to the prompting screen to reselect new data prompts. Let's keep our BiPad 00411, but we only want to see issue 2016-01. We can select Finish to rerun our prompt. Here you can see our title has stayed the same, but now we only have issue 2016-01 represented. To export this report, click on the drop-down arrow next to the Run icon. A new pane will appear showing your export types. Clicking in Run HTML at this point would not do much, as you are already in the HTML version of the report. If you select Run PDF, you'll now have an option to download or save your report as a PDF file. You can come up here to the top right-hand corner and select Download or Print to run as PDF. To return to your report in HTML, select your drop-down menu option and select Run HTML. To run in Excel, select your drop-down option, Run Excel. In this version of the reporting, you will need to reselect your prompts again. This option will be removed in a future upgrade. So here we will select our title again, but our issue 2016-01 should still remain selected. We will click Finish, and the report will download into Excel. At this time, it is not advised to run Excel data, as this format does not support crosstab that this report is in. This concludes our tutorial on Access Vision reporting.